And this is a comparison of the most recent Toro recycler I got, model 20066, the one on the left here, with model 20332, both of them personal pace models. This one is a 2014 model with a 7.25 gross torque Briggs and Stratton engine on it. This is a 2008 with the 6.75 gross torque Briggs and Stratton engine on it. And there's some slight differences and improvements from 2008-2014. You can see some differences in the frame. Whereas it looks like there's a little more depth in the newer one versus the old. You can tell more on this side. The wheels are different, as you can see. Same size wheels, just a different design. And the 2008 model looks like they made this frame where it could be either a rear wheel self-propelled or a front wheel drive self-propelled with this plastic box here. Both of them are 22 inches cut. They both have the same Toro recycler blade on it. One noticeable difference, which I really like on the new Toro recyclers, is this lever. You can switch from this is mulch to bag. Whereas on this one, you actually have to take the bag off. There's no lever like that on this one. Both have the wash port. Two very nice lawnmowers. Both got the same blade. And I got the gator teeth blade. And I've been using this one, so it's not quite as clean as that other one. And both have auto choke. They got called this Ready Start on this one. And just an auto choke feature on here, no primer bulb. So let's give each one of these a start. I think these are really excellent lawnmowers here. And we'll start with the oldest one first, 2008 here. And I also forgot to show that both have the personal pace, where you just push the handle down, kind of go at your own speed. Both of them are set up the same way. Now let's give each one a start. We'll start with the oldest one here, the 2008. Both of them run great. Here we go. let's start the 2014. And this was a moving cell lawnmower. I didn't mention that. The person was moving back to Hawaii, and actually this one was Got this from a local home store. It was actually a customer return for whatever reason. I like these engines on here, the 7.25. Very quiet. Let's give this one a start. And here we go. First time as well. Nice Toro recycled lawnmowers. I really do like these Toro Recycler personal pace lawnmowers. They cut very nicely. Which one do you like the best? Do you like the 2008 model? Or the 2014?